Are you having problems with your Spotify pausing songs every 30 seconds? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what you need to do first is to go to your Spotify app. And now when you're on your Spotify app, then you need to come to your home page in here. So if you're not on your home page, then just click on home in the bottom left corner, as you can see, and then you should be taken here. What you need to do in here is to scroll all the way up, and because of that you will be able to see this like settings wheel in the top right corner. So click on the settings wheel. Perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken here. What you need to do in here is to click where it says data savior. So click here. And as you can see, you're now actually taken here. So basically what you can do is to actually click right here where it says data savior. So you can actually like enable this function right here, and then just go back, because we need to actually have a couple of other settings that we need to check. You need to scroll down and click where it says audio quality. So click on audio quality. I like when it says Wi-Fi streaming, I always set it to automatic, and actually when it comes to like cellular streaming, you can have it on low, or you can also like have it automatic if you want to. But I would actually recommend you, like for example, if you're right now like sitting on a bus, for example, or something like that, and you're having issues on the bus, or when you're like out in the public. And well, that could actually be the thing, that if you're not using Wi-Fi, then sometimes Spotify can actually not work like perfectly. Because I would actually recommend you, if you're home, for example, in listening to Spotify, use your Wi-Fi instead of using like your mobile data. That could also like sometimes fix this issue. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.